Another atheist dogma demolished by astronomical discoveries in the 20th century is the idea of the accident has collapsed in a most so as to permit human life. As research deepened, it was found that the physical, chemical, and biological laws in the universe, fundamental forces such as gravity and electromagnetism, and the structure of the elements had all been set up in the most ideal form for human life. Let us now consider a few examples of this. There is an extraordinarily sensitive balance in the initial expansion rate of the universe, that is, in the explosion force of the Big Bang. According to scientists' calculations, if the expansion rate had differed from its by more than 1 part in a billion, the universe would either have recollapsed before it ever reached its size, or splashed in every direction in a way never to unite again. To put it another way, even at the first moment of the universe's existence, there was a fine calculation. That, of course, is no coincidence. Physical forces such as gravity and electromagnetism are all at the necessary levels for an ordered universe to emerge and for life. Differences of just 1 part in a billion would have meant that the universe would be nothing more than a cloud of radiation or hydrogen. In that event, our solar system, the planets, and our Earth would not have come into being. As with every detail in the universe, our own solar system has been created within a most delicate balance. The at the levels necessary to support human life. Even the slightest deviation from these could destroy life on Earth at a stroke. The way that the Earth's atmosphere contains the gases necessary to allow ideally just 2 examples of such important the water that covers our planet also is designed to support. Unlike other liquids, water freezes from the top down. That prevents the seas from and its other physical and chemical are all at the ideal. These delicate balances, of which we have seen a few examples, lead scientists to one important conclusion. There is an anthropic principle in the universe. In other words, it has been designed to be possible. The interesting thing here is that most of the scientists materialists who had no conclusion. Book, The Symbiont, the American astronomer Einstein admits the fact in these words: "As we survey all the evidence, the thought insistently arises that some supernatural agency must be involved. Is it possible that suddenly In his 1998 book, Nature's Destiny, Universe, the well-known molecular biologist following comment: "The new picture that has emerged in 20th century astronomy presents a dramatic challenge to the presumption which has been prevalent within scientific circles during most of the past 4 centuries, that life is a peripheral and purely contingent phenomenon." The concept of the accidental basis of atheism collapsed. The Quran some 1,400 years ago. "We did not create heaven and earth and everything between them to no purpose. That is the opinion of those who disbelieve."